addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping with carryover. Regrouping ones, in addition you have to regroup. When you have more than 9 ones, you can regroup 10 ones into 110. How to regroup? Well, come, let us learn how to regroup using some of examples. Okay, let us solve some of the examples. 13 and 1239. Before solving, we have to arrange these numbers in a column wise according to their place value, right? Now, let us add the ones digits, that is 3 ones and 9 ones. Then we get 12 ones. We cannot write 12 in the ones place, right? We have to regroup 12. So, regrouping 12 ones. 12 ones means 1 to the tens place plus 2 to the ones place. Okay. Then add the tens digits. 110 plus 3 tens plus again 110, which has regrouped 10, that is equal to 5. Then add the 100 digits. 4 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is equal to 6 hundreds. Then add the thousands digits. 5 thousands plus 1000 is equal to 6 thousands. Hence 5413 plus 1239 is equal to 6652. Regrouping tens, add 3159 9261. Same as it is, arrange the two numbers in their place value. First, add the ones digits, that is 7 ones plus 1 ones is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 ones. Then add the tens digits. 5 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 11 tens. Regroup 11 tens. When we regroup 11 tens, we get 1 hundreds plus 110. Okay, so that I will write one in the tens place and another one in the hundreds place. Then add the hundreds digits. 1 hundreds, that is regrouped, plus 100 plus 200 is equal to 400. Then adding thousands digits. 3000s plus 3000s, that is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6000s. Hence 3157 plus 3261 is equal to 6418. Regrouping ones and tens, add 1269 and 4353. First we have to arrange these numbers in column wise according to their place value, right? Add the ones digits, that is 9 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 13 ones. Now we have to regroup 13 ones, that is 13. Write 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. Now add the tens digits. 110, that is regrouped 10, plus 6 tens plus 5 tens, that is equal to 12 tens. Now we have to regroup again 12 tens. 12 tens is equal to writing 2 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Now add the 100 digits. 100, which is regrouped digit, plus 2 hundreds plus 3 hundreds is equal to 6 hundreds. As the add the thousands digits. 1000 plus 4000 is equal to 5000. Write the digit 5 in the thousands place. Hence 1269 plus 4354 is equal to 5623. Regrouping ones, tens and hundreds, add 1484 and 2756. The first step is to arrange the given numbers in a column wise according to their place value, right? Then add the ones digits. 4 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 10 ones. Now we have to regroup 10 ones, that is equal to 110 plus 1 ones, writing 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Then add the tens digits. 110, that is regrouped 10, plus 8 tens plus 5 tens, that is equal to 14 tens. Regroup 14 tens. 14 tens is equal to writing 4 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Add the hundreds digits. 100, that is regrouped 1, plus 4 hundreds plus 7 hundreds, that is equal to 12 hundreds. Regroup 12 hundreds is equal to 1000 plus 2 hundreds. Okay, add the 1000 digits. 1000, that is regrouped 1, plus 1000 plus 2000, that is equal to 4000. Hence 1484 plus 2756 is equal to 4240. Okay, students, now let us solve exercise problems. Okay, first question, find the sum thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, 3682 plus 2219. Now we have to add these two numbers. First we have to add the digits which is in the ones place, that is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We cannot write 11 in ones place, right? We have to regroup 11. How? Writing 1 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Okay, writing 1 in the ones place and carrying 1 in the tens place. Done. Now adding the tens place. 8 tens, 1 tens and regroup of the ones, that is 1 ones, which is now 8, 9 and 10. What's the sum of the tens place? 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. We cannot write 10 in the tens place, so we have to do what we have to do. We have to regroup the tens, right? We have to write 10 tens as regrouping 0 tens plus 1 hundreds, right? How? Writing 0 in the tens place and carrying 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, now let us add hundreds place. 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds and the carrier 1. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8, right? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. We have to write 9 hundreds in the hundreds place. 9 in the hundreds place. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 thousands. We have to write 5 in the thousands place. Hence adding 3682 plus 2219, we get 5901. Okay, well, now let us solve another problem. Okay, right, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, they have given 3 numbers. Okay, first one is 2648 and 3262 and then 1346. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. Okay, again we have to follow the same steps which we followed in the previous sum. Okay, well, 8 plus, adding in the ones place, 8 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, 8 ones plus 2 ones plus 6 ones. Okay, 8 plus 2 is equal to how much? 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. Then again 10 plus 6, how much? 16. Okay, now we cannot write 16 in the ones place, so we have to do regrouping. 16 in the regrouping. Writing 6 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. Okay, now I will write 6 in the ones place, then I will carry 1 to the tens place. Okay, right, now we have to add the digits which is in the tens place. Well, adding 4 tens plus 6 tens plus 4 tens. How much? 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 14. Again I have carry 1, right? We have to add even carry 2. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Then 11 plus 4 is equal to 15, right? Now as it is, I cannot write 15 in the tens place, so we have to do what we have to do? We have to do regrouping, right? 15. Okay, writing 5 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, now I will write 5 in the tens place and 1 in the which place? Sorry, 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, right. Now what we have to do? Now we have to regroup 6 hundreds, 2 hundreds, 3 hundreds. Okay, the digits which is in the hundreds place. First we have to add 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to how much? 6. 6 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8. 8. Then 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. We get, adding 8 plus 3 we get 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, how much? 11. Again we have to add the 1 which is the carry, that is how much? 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Again we cannot write 12 in the hundreds place, so we have to regroup the digits, right? Regrouping 2 hundreds plus 1 thousands. Okay, now writing 2 in the hundreds place and thousands, carrying 1 to the thousands place. Okay, after that we have to add the digits which is in the thousands place. First 2000s, 3000s, 1000s and the carry 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to, think, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1, the carry, is equal to 7. Then therefore adding 2648 plus 3262 plus 1346, we get the answer as 7256.
Okay students, hope you all understood today's concept. In this video we learned about addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and solved example.